They conserve the environment. They know how tourism and conservation work together. They would suffer from leprosy. They would bring them to this isolated place. Hello guys, we are still here on Lake Bunyonyi. We are still touring Lake Bunyonyi. Where we are seeing here, it is an island. This island, it is used to be known for the leprosy. When people would suffer from leprosy, they would bring them to this isolated place. But they would still treat them. But they would treat them from here, from this isolated place. But right now, it changed, of course. There are so many activities taking place here. There is a church. This is the church, right? Then there is also a secondary school. Then there is also a hospital. There is also a hospital which is there. So the history of being the place for the leprosy, but it's still now there is a hospital, which means people from here, they can still get treatment generally, because there is a hospital, there is even a secondary school. So most of these islands on Lake Bunyonyi, they are historical and they have the names, and most of the names, they depend on how they were famous for. So when you come to this lake, that's why you will enjoy. There are many islands. We said there are around 29. There are 29 islands on this lake, and like this one is one of them. We have seen the Punishment Island and the other islands, and all of them are historical. When you come and you have like this boat ride, that's when you can enjoy all of this amazing history of Uganda, the amazing history of Kigezi region, of Kabale area, of course. And this is the place we have talked about, the leprosy island, where people with leprosy used to come, used to stay. They were being treated from here, but they were not killed. We have to know the difference. Those who were the pregnant ladies before marriage, that's where they were coming. They were putting them at Punishment Island, but this one here was leprosy island for the people suffering from leprosy, but they were not being killed. So that one should be noted. All of this is history of Kabale. It is commonly observed that going to these islands, they normally use the local boats, which are where they use their hands for canoeing. They use the canoes to go to these places. They don't have engine boats, so it is the local means of transport, and sometimes it takes them long. And to reach to these schools, some of the students, they can come late and they have to go there each and every day. Going to the school, going to the hospital, there is a local means of transport. They use this small canoeing, and it is somehow a challenge, as we observed that still mainly people have to wait for a long time. People have to take a long time on the water and all of those challenges. But this is how life is at this amazing island on Lake Bunyonyi. And when you reach this place, you find these amazing places where you can have your night with a very good view of the lake, and you can experience the local, how the locals do their work, how they live, how they and enjoy their culture, and all of this experience you can have it here at this amazing Lake Bunyonyi area. It is so amazing that all tourists, when they come here, they are amazed, they are amused, and they finish their time here really with great memories of this Lake Bunyonyi, which is the second deepest lake in Africa. It is so amazing, guys. I hope you enjoy this island as we are going to tour it, as you see this and other different islands as we are touring this lake. I hope you are still enjoying this. Where we are going to see now is also another famous island. We have talked about the conservation, that this island is good at conservation. We are going to Chauje Island. It is also amazing because they also have conservation. They conserve the environment. They know how tourism and conservation work together. We shall see the amazing part of it when we reach there. I hope you will enjoy. Just come with me as we are continuing to explore Lake Bunyonyi, which is the second deepest lake in Africa.